Just get Diamond. Just look at her. She's getting ready to jump. She's going to jump in a minute. Yes, she is. Here she comes. Come on. Say, Taz, leave me alone. Taz is trying to bother her. There she goes. There she goes back again. Diamond? Taz, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? She's going to get you, Taz. She's going to get Taz. Now Taz is going to see what Diamond was looking at. He said, what was over there that was so good? Here's Fairy. She's come to join us. Come here, sweetie. Diamond. Watch her. She's going to hide from me, too. Taz. Diamond. Fairy. Fairy. Look where Fairy's going. Ah! Just look at her. She's going to get in that box. Yeah, she says that's a safe place from that camera. Diamond. Watch her hide. Diamond.